What's something people don't know about evolution's hidden paths? Where plants and animals look like nothing you've ever seen. Today, we're diving into Earth's lost worlds. Isolated islands where the creatures, landscapes, and even the rules of nature are truly unique. Ready for an adventure? Why are there not more people talking about Madagascar's incredible evolutionary oddities? This island separated from Africa over 88 million years ago, creating a living laboratory of evolution. It's so isolated that 90% of its species are found nowhere else on Earth. This isolation has allowed life here to evolve in remarkable and often bizarre ways. This island is a treasure chest of evolutionary wonders. Take the lemurs, for example. These primates are not just a single species, but a diverse group with over 100 different species. Madagascar is the only place in the world where you'll find over 100 species of these incredible primates. Each species has its own unique adaptations and behaviors. From the tiny mouse lemur, the world's smallest primate, to the graceful sifaka, which can leap up to 30 feet between trees, these creatures have adapted in astonishing ways. These adaptations are not just physical, but also behavioral. Lemurs have developed complex social structures and communication methods, making them a fascinating subject for scientists and nature lovers alike. Then there's the chameleon. Madagascar is the chameleon capital of the world. This island is home to about half of the world's chameleon species. Some chameleons here are the size of a matchstick, so small that they can perch on the tip of your finger, while others are as long as a house cat. These size variations are just the beginning of their fascinating traits. And they don't just change colors for camouflage, they communicate through color too. This color-changing ability is used for social signaling, temperature regulation, and even to express their mood. Madagascar's isolation has made it one of the most unique places on Earth, a world where evolution has been left to its own imagination. The island's diverse landscapes, from rainforests to deserts, have created isolated ecosystems where species have evolved independently. If you could visit Madagascar, what's the first animal you'd want to see? Would it be the playful lemurs, the color-changing chameleons, or perhaps another of the island's unique creatures? Let us know in the comments. Madagascar is truly a testament to the wonders of evolution, a place where nature's creativity knows no bounds. This is going to blow your mind. Our next stop takes us 600 miles off the coast of Ecuador to the Galapagos Islands, an archipelago that changed the course of science. This remote cluster of volcanic islands is not just a paradise for nature lovers, but also a living museum of evolutionary wonders. When Charles Darwin visited these islands in 1835, he discovered creatures that evolved in total isolation, showing him nature's power to adapt. His observations here led to the groundbreaking theory of natural selection, forever altering our understanding of life on Earth. The marine iguana is a perfect example. These lizards are the only sea-swimming lizards in the world, and they're exclusive to the Galapagos. Their unique ability to forage underwater for algae sets them apart from any other lizard species on the planet. They dive into the ocean to graze on algae, adapting to survive both on land and underwater. Their flattened tails and strong limbs make them excellent swimmers, while their dark skin helps them absorb heat after a chilly dive. Then there's the Galapagos tortoise, the gentle giant. These magnificent creatures are among the longest living vertebrates on Earth. Some of these tortoises weigh over 500 pounds and can live more than a century. Their slow, deliberate movements and massive size make them a symbol of endurance and resilience. They've adapted to the different islands, with unique shell shapes and sizes depending on the terrain and vegetation available. For instance, tortoises on islands with lush vegetation have dome-shaped shells, while those on arid islands have saddleback shells to reach higher vegetation. It's no wonder the Galapagos is called evolution's laboratory. The islands are a living testament to the power of natural selection and adaptation. Every animal here has a story to tell about adaptation and survival, from the blue-footed boobies with their striking courtship dances to the flightless cormorants that have evolved to thrive without flight. Each species is a marvel of evolution. If you were an explorer like Darwin, which animal would you study first on the Galapagos? Tell us below. The Galapagos Islands continue to inspire scientists and adventurers alike, offering endless opportunities to witness evolution in action. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the wonders of the Galapagos and discover the secrets of nature's laboratory. Pause 3S. This is going to blow your mind. The Galapagos Islands are not just home to marine iguanas and tortoises. These islands are a haven for a plethora of unique species, each adapted to thrive in their own niche. Let's dive deeper into this extraordinary world. One of the most captivating residents is the Galapagos penguin, the only penguin species found north of the equator. These small, agile creatures have adapted to the warm climate by developing unique behaviors like panting and seeking shade to avoid overheating. Watching them dart through the water, you'd think they were born to swim in these tropical waters. Then we have the Darwin's finches, a group of about 15 species that played a crucial role in Darwin's theory of natural selection. Each finch species has a uniquely shaped beak, perfectly adapted to its specific diet, whether it's cracking open nuts, sipping nectar, or picking insects from tree bark. This incredible diversity among such closely related birds is a testament to the power of adaptation. And let's not forget the flightless cormorant, a bird that has evolved to become an excellent swimmer at the cost of its ability to fly. With powerful legs and webbed feet, these cormorants dive deep into the ocean to catch fish, showcasing yet another example of nature's ingenuity. Every corner of the Galapagos Islands reveals a new wonder, a new story of survival and adaptation, whether it's the bright red Sally Lightfoot crabs scuttling across the black lava rocks or the shy nocturnal Galapagos fur seals. Each species adds a unique chapter to the island's evolutionary tale. So, as you explore the Galapagos, remember that you're walking in the footsteps of giants, both the literal tortoises and the figurative giants of science like Darwin. Each discovery here is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life and the endless possibilities of evolution. What unique species would you like to encounter on your journey to the Galapagos? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's continue this adventure together. Pause 3S. You need to hear this if you're a nature lover. Protecting the unique biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands is a monumental task, but it's one that countless conservationists are passionate about. The Galapagos Islands are not just a haven for rare species, they are a delicate ecosystem that requires constant vigilance and care. Over the years, human activity such as tourism, fishing, and introduced species has threatened the fragile balance of this ecosystem. However, dedicated efforts are being made to preserve this natural wonder. One of the key players in this mission is the Galapagos National Park Directorate, which oversees the protection and sustainable management of the island's natural resources. Established in 1959, the park covers 97% of the land area of the Galapagos Islands and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Strict regulations are in place to control tourism, ensuring that visitors can experience the island's beauty without causing harm. In addition to governmental efforts, numerous non-profit organizations are working tirelessly to support conservation initiatives. The Charles Darwin Foundation, for example, has been conducting scientific research and providing crucial data to inform conservation strategies since 1959. Their work includes restoring habitats, breeding endangered species, and eradicating invasive species that threaten native wildlife. Marine conservation is also a critical focus. The Galapagos Marine Reserve, one of the largest marine reserves in the world, protects the rich marine life surrounding the islands. Efforts to combat illegal fishing and promote sustainable fishing practices are essential to preserving the underwater ecosystems that are home to species like the Galapagos sea lion and the marine iguana. Local communities are also playing a vital role in conservation. Education and awareness programs are empowering residents to become stewards of their environment. Sustainable tourism initiatives are providing economic benefits while minimizing ecological impact, ensuring that both people and nature can thrive. Despite the challenges, these collective efforts are making a difference. Endangered species are being brought back from the brink of extinction, and habitats are being restored to their natural state. The Galapagos Islands remain a beacon of hope, demonstrating that with dedication and collaboration, we can protect our planet's most precious treasures. What conservation efforts inspire you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join us in celebrating the incredible work being done to preserve the Galapagos Islands for future generations. Pause 3S. This is gonna blow your mind. The Galapagos Islands played a crucial role in Charles Darwin's formulation of the theory of evolution by natural selection. During his voyage on the HMS Beagle, Darwin observed the unique species of the islands, particularly the finches, which exhibited a remarkable variety of beak shapes and sizes. These observations led him to propose that species adapt to their environments over time, giving rise to new species. The Galapagos Islands remain a living laboratory for evolutionary biology, attracting scientists and nature enthusiasts from around the world. Pause 3S. I bet you didn't know about the incredible biodiversity of Socotra Island, often referred to as the jewel of biodiversity. Located in the Arabian Sea, this remote island is part of Yemen and is renowned for its unique and isolated ecosystem. Socotra Island is home to a staggering number of endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. Among these are the iconic dragon's blood tree, with its striking umbrella-like canopy and crimson sap, and the Socotra desert rose, a resilient plant that thrives in the island's arid conditions. These remarkable species are just a glimpse into the extraordinary biodiversity that Socotra has to offer. The island's otherworldly landscape, with its limestone plateaus, sandy beaches, and rugged mountains, provides a stunning backdrop for its diverse flora and fauna. The unique combination of geological and climatic conditions has allowed life on Socotra to evolve in isolation, resulting in an ecological wonderland. Socotra's human inhabitants, like those of Tristan da Cunha, have developed a deep connection to their natural surroundings. They live in harmony with the island's environment, preserving its pristine beauty and safeguarding its unique species for future generations. Exploring Socotra Island is like stepping into a different world, where nature's creativity knows no bounds. It serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of our planet and the importance of protecting these extraordinary places. What other remote and fascinating destinations should we uncover next? Let us know in the comments below. Join us on our next adventure as we continue to discover the hidden gems of our world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. If you're a diving enthusiast, then you need to experience Isla del Coco, a true diver's paradise. Located off the coast of Costa Rica, this remote island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its extraordinary marine biodiversity. The island's waters are a haven for scuba divers, offering encounters with an array of marine species, including the awe-inspiring hammerhead sharks and graceful rays. Isla del Coco's underwater world is a vibrant tapestry of life, with its coral reefs and rocky outcrops providing shelter to countless fish species, sea turtles, and even the occasional whale shark. The island's isolation has allowed its marine ecosystem to thrive, making it one of the most pristine diving destinations in the world. Above the waves, Isla del Coco is equally captivating. The island is covered in lush rainforest, with waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear pools, creating a picturesque landscape that feels like a scene from a lost world. The island's unique combination of terrestrial and marine environments makes it a vital area for conservation efforts, ensuring that its natural beauty and biodiversity are preserved for future generations. Exploring Isla del Coco is like diving into a living aquarium where every dive brings new discoveries and unforgettable experiences. It reminds us of the incredible diversity that exists beneath the ocean's surface and the importance of protecting these underwater treasures. What other remote and fascinating destinations should we uncover next? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to join us on our next adventure as we continue to discover the hidden gems of our world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.